And that's 8858 and 5419. Must be a loco. Got a big engine doing a loco run. Weird. Not used to seeing a big engine doing a loco run. Usually got a smaller engine, but God, got a big engine running. This guy. Wow, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Tuesday, September the 17th, 2024. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.